So you mean to tell me that hashtags are dead? What? Let's talk about that. Hey, what's up? My name is Rasha and welcome to my channel. And today we're going to be talking all about hashtags. So let's get right on into it. But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So there's a lot of people on the internet that are saying hashtags are dead, they don't work, which hashtags haven't been working for a while for a lot of people. But for some people, they still work really well. And so you want to make sure that you are using the correct hashtags. So today we're going to be identifying different types of hashtags that you can use to target your ideal audience. So first we want to talk about the most obvious are location-based hashtags. So hashtag Atlanta influencer or hashtag Atlanta small business or something like that. So it's something that is specific to your area or to the area that you want to find your targeted audience. So the next thing that you want to use are hashtags that are specific to your target audience. So a lot of people don't use hashtags that are targeted to their people. So for instance, you're a personal stylist, right? Okay, cool. And you work with generally men. Okay, cool. So instead of just using like hashtag personal stylist, hashtag fashion, things like that, just random hashtags, you want to make sure that you are using hashtags that are specific to your people. So hashtag men's fashion, hashtag men's streetwear if you work with a specific type of men's fashion, hashtag personal stylist for men. You want to make sure that you're using hashtags that are talking directly to your customer and things that they are looking up and they are following and that they would be searching for in that talk. So that's directed straight to them. Because for instance, I might be following the hashtag fashion, but I'm not going to be following men's fashion because I don't really care about men's fashion. I'm not a man. You know, so you want to make sure that you are showing up where your people are showing up. So another hashtag that I don't think a lot of us talk about, and I know that before we used to actually run away from this, simply those large hashtags that we know that we had no chance of ranking for, right? So that's like those hashtag fashion or whatever, fashion inspo, men's fashion, like those ones that have over 1 million posts or whatnot to them. But now that Instagram is working on their search engine optimization, it's more likely for your posts to get targeted into those search bubbles. So before, I wouldn't use a hashtag Instagram, but now because I'm doing Instagram tips and things and I want to rank in that search engine optimization for now when you can search content and look up like Instagram tips, I might use that Instagram hashtag. Now I'm not going to fill up my content with a whole bunch of those large hashtags, but I'm definitely going to throw in 1 or 2, no more than 3, to give that base general synopsis of what my content is talking about so that people can find me. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Another group of hashtags that I would recommend you trying out, which a lot of people sleep on this, are those special hashtags. So those hashtags for events, the hashtags for holidays or whatever. Those special hashtags that only come around once in a while, but you're posting during that time, so use those hashtags so that you can show up. So for instance, if there's like Do-Rag Fest or something coming to your town or whatever, and you're gonna be there, you might want to use hashtag Do-Rag Fest with your men's fashion, men's personal stylist. Generally, your ideal follower is probably going to be checking out Do-Rag Fest as well because that's who they're targeted to. They're going to be there anyway, so you might as well use that hashtag so that you can show up as well. Hashtags aren't dead. You can still expand your reach by using hashtags. I recommend you putting hashtags on everything. Your feed posts, your stories if you want to, your reels. Hashtags can be extremely useful and they can definitely change your page if you use them the right way. You want to make sure that you're using a mix of all these different hashtags that we talked about today so that you can increase your chance of getting new eyes to your profile. But thank you so much for clicking this video. Make sure you like this video for me. It really does help me with the algorithm. And you check me out on Instagram. If you would like to know more about how many hashtags to use, should you use all 30, how to break down your hashtag group into different segments or whatever, then let me know down in the comments below because I would love to make that video for you. But thank you so much. Before you leave, YouTube suggests that you check out these videos right here, and I think that they will be great for you to grow your Instagram. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.